Welcome to Manifest Connect, your one-stop shop for value and multiple streams of income. My name is Eric Forner, and today we're going to talk about how to remove the background out of any photo or any video using your cell phone with the app Power Director. It's totally free. I'm going to show you guys how. So if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, smash that bell, and then give me a like. If you have any comments, leave it in the bottom for sure. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it.
Manifest Connect Marketing.
Okay, first thing first, guys. Let's go ahead and go to Google Play Store. And if you're working on an iOS, I'm pretty sure Power Director is available. I'm working off Android right now. And as you can see, I've already downloaded the Power Director. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of this. And I'm going to jump into my Power Director real quick and show you guys kind of what it's all about, what it looks like. And let's get your guys' backgrounds fixed up, put a green screen chroma key aspect on everything, huh? Alright, so what we're going to want to do is going to start a new project. Okay, the app's pretty simple, it's really basic and really user friendly. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to start a new project. And we're just going to name this Demo Screen. Alrighty. And the aspect ratio we're going to choose today is going to be the 16.9. Alright, guys. So, made it this far. What we're going to do first is we're going to grab our background. Okay? The background that we choose in replace of the green screen, or say the blue wall, or whatever wall or flat surface that you're standing against is contrast with you. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and grab, I'm going to do a video on this one. You can do video or pictures. So I'm going to do a video first. Let me see here. I'm going to go to my downloads. Sorry. Okay, so these are all videos that I've already downloaded, and let me explain to you real quick how to download. So what you'd want to do is you just go to the stock video section, and then you can scroll over and see if there's anything that you'd want on the first page, or you can actually search. So you can search for whatever you want. Just to save time, I've already done all of that, and so we're going to go to the downloaded ones I already have. We're going to go ahead and add this, I guess, number black and green background. So at this point, what we're going to do is go back again. Okay, and then we're going to put a layer on it. That's the third one down. You got the house, then you got the music, and then you have the layer. Alright, so now we're going to add another video. And that's the video. This is the one I took right here. Okay, so this is the video. It's like 50 seconds long. It's pretty basic. And I might keep this background, I might not. But for just the demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and go with that background. Alright, so now that we have that background below the now that we have that video below the background, we're going to go ahead and edit, and that's that pencil over here on the left hand side. And you're going to scroll over to your right, and you're going to go to chroma key. Okay, and this is where you put the eyedropper so we can remove the color we want to remove, which would be the green. And at this point, now if we were to go back, if you had a blue wall there or whatever, something that's contrast to you, you would just simply click it and it would just change the color. It would just tap into that color. So now we have the color range, and we're going to go ahead and go up and add just a little color range and denoise a little bit down. Okay, I'm just gonna go. You gotta play with it a little bit. Every edit's different, so with that being said, you kind of got to go back and forth. Hey guys, welcome to my page. My name is Eric Forner. Not too bad. For you guys that do know me. Not too bad. As you notice on my neck, there's a little. Welcome for you guys that don't know me. So in my experience, from the time I've been doing this, that's gonna be the color range, and possibly could be the denoise too. If you can have denoise down as far as you possibly can without it getting too, I guess you could say, watery looking, and we might see that now, then you'd be safe. But if you notice that green on top of my head right there, let's try and get that to go away. See how that looks. Welcome to the family. So we'll go up on the denoise. Then we'll go down here a little bit. Started a new group called DNA Fitness and Health, and if you guys want to... Alright, so for what it is, I can sit here and keep playing with it, but you guys get the concept. And it could have been the video I shot too, the lighting. Either way, it's pretty simple to do so. Now, say for instance, I wanted to take that away. Just go ahead and trash that. And I wanted to put a picture up there on the background. So we're going to go ahead and erase that one too. And we're going to jump into pictures here. And again, you can go to stock photos, which we'll probably just grab one. And let's say we want to go on an island. Alright, that looks good. Go ahead and download that. It should take just a second. Alright, go ahead and add that there. Now what we want to do is space it out, because my video is 50 seconds long, and you can take it pretty much as long as you want. So we're going to drop it like right around there. Just give it a little extra buffer. And then again, we're going to add the layer. Okay, scoot this all the way over. Add the video, which is right here. You're going to go add it. Click on it. Edit. And then chroma key. Eyedropper. Takes it away. Kind of smooth it out a little bit. We'll try to leave the denoise there and see what happens. Hey guys, welcome to my page. What I forgot to do is expand it up. There we go. My name is Forner. For you guys that came out a lot better, guys. Welcome. For you guys that don't know me, now that I'm on an island. Welcome to the family. Right? As you can see, it came out pretty good, and we got the length here. We can grab a little bit more since we didn't have it extended all the way. And that's how you change the background on your cell phone. Super simple. Super simple. I hope you guys found value in this video. If you guys haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. And that notification bell, as I will be putting content out regularly. This is Eric Forner, again from Manifest Connect, your one-stop shop for value and multiple streams of income. You guys have a beautiful day, night, or evening.